Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Very nice. You all are fine. Okay. Take good care of yourself. Okay class. Let's start our lecture with prayer. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Okay class. This is our time for summer pack. Open your summer pack workbook and page number 45. Today we will do the page number 45. Yes, page number 45. Okay, firstly we will write the date and day, and yes, read this line: trace, write and color. Today we will do three things: trace, write and color. Okay, firstly we will trace the things. What is this digit here? 1. What is this digit here? 1. Trace this 1. Very nice class. Very good. What is this? 2. Trace this 2. Okay. Very good. What comes after 2? 3. We will write here 3. Yes. Very nice. What is this? 3. What is this? 3. Okay, what comes after 3? 4. What comes after 3? 4. Very nice class. What is this? 4. What comes after 4? 5. Yes, this is 5. Trace this 5. Very nice class. Make a straight line. Okay, repeat this counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will become here? 6. Yes, 6. Okay, write 7. Very nice class. What comes after 7? 8. Very nice class. What is this? 8. Okay, what comes after 8? 9. Trace this 9. Very nice. And what comes after 9? 10. What is this? 10. What is this? 10. Okay. Now we will write here. These are eggs. These are eggs. And this is duck. Okay. And these are the ducklings. Very nice class. Okay. Write here 1. What is this? 1. Trace this 1. What comes after 1? 2. Write the number 2 like this. What comes after 2? 3. Very nice class. What comes after 3? 4. Very nice. What is this? 4. What comes after 4? 5. Very nice class. 5. Repeat this counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 5? 6. Very nice class. How to write 7? Make a straight line, then a slant line. What is this? 7. What comes after 7? 8. How to write it? Very nice. Very beautifully. Okay. Repeat this counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. Very nice. 9. What comes after 9? 10. How to write 10? Like this. What is this? 10. What is this? 10. Okay, nursery class. We have done two things, trace and write. Now we will do the coloring. We will do the coloring.